we're down to our final game in our Saturday slate, and we're still here at the Tanawan Gym in Tanawan City in the beautiful province of Batangas. This is Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL D-League, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. And our final match of the day features the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu taking on Rizal Switch Fiber. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ken Pangilinan with Coach Kito Limbo, and at courtside, Courtney Buenaventura. And Coach, very interesting, these two teams, they're in the middle of the pack, but they want to climb up in the standings as well.
Yes, trying to improve their ranking in the South Division, itong Caloocan and Rizal.
So, ito, himayin natin, no, yung mga previous matches sila. Unahin natin itong Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. They're sporting a 5-1 record, but came off a win in their last game.
Yes, and currently they're number 2 in the standing with the, like what you've said, the 5-1 record. Last October 10, they won against Marikina Shoemaster 73-63, shooting 42% in the field, dominated the rebounds, grabbing 54 rebounds, and converted 15 second chance points. And their player of the game back then is none other than Joko Borcelo. He made 19 points, 10 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals, and 1 block.
Magalit si Nicole niyan, minispronounce mo yung pangalan ni Joko.
Oh yeah.
Meanwhile, joke lang. Eto, punta tayo sa Rizal. Nakita natin, no? They dominated pretty much that game against Novaliches.
Yes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome here inside the G1 Tanawan City, province of Batangas, for the continuation of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL D-League, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. We are on the main game of today's schedule, featuring JY Caloocan Batang Kangkalu and Rizal Switch Fiber. Now let's meet the starters. First, from JY Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. Starting guard number 3, Joshua Russell. Other guard number 57, Ian Dumacas. At forward number 6, Feline Manzano. Other forward number 7, Crisan Pagirigan. And at center number 2, Lance Masiglat. And coach is RJ Patricio. Assisted by Nico Bermido, team manager John Acebron.
Against Caloocan, against Masiglat. Masiglat. That's a second personal foul. And they're in the penalty situation already para sa Caloocan.
Oh, 2 free throws na ito. First free throw by Flores gets the friendly roll, so that stops an 8-0 spurt by Caloocan. Because earlier it was 28-19.
Yeah.
So 8 straight points from Caloocan. Have pushed this lead up to as high as 17. Now it's back down to 15. 36-21. Kasingan with a 3 earlier. Delgado against Antonio. Has the speed advantage. Decides to kick it out. Discutado. Flores. Binalik kay Antonio. And Antonio converts.
Too much passing there in the part of Rizal. Buti na nakascore sila doon sa possession na yon.
Kumbaga si Flores had that shot available for him. Pero ito, nakaagaw si Discutado.
Ooh, great rejection there by Felix. Or rather, Zigan.
Discutido. Eh, muntik na. Naka-leak out ulit. Pero itong Caloocan, ito counter. Lalabas yung bola. Joshua Russell returns for Caloocan.
He's the guy who started in this game. Itong si Russell.
36-23. Discutido. Yan, tama na.
JB na lang tatawag ko.
JB, sige. Antonio, pinasa kay Flores. Romero, umatake. 10 seconds sa shot clock ng Rizal. The up fake. Si Andwil Yap nasa loob. Parang siya yung matatawagan ng foul. Medyo mabigat yung braso niya ni Andwil Yap, no? Andwil Yap. Kung di ako nagkakamali, alam ko 15 years old lang to eh. I'm not kidding.
A big
Probably
boy.
15 or 16.
Yeah. And he's one of the tallest players here for Batang Kangkalu.
But he's playing now in the 21 under division. And there are some guys like that, na even though, you know, their age, minsan may ibang coaches, sinahasa na sila sa mga
Yes,
mama
that's true. And this is a good opportunity, if ever, para dito kay Yap.
You know, I don't know if you remember this guy, si Nas Humadi. He played for Manila last season in the 16 under division, but he was only 14 years old during that time as a traveling violation whistled against Caloocan. So pretty much almost the same case with Andwil Yap, na pwede nga siya maglaro sa 16 under, even in the 18 under. Pero ito, pinaglalaro siya dito ni Coach RJ Patricio. Now he's caught on an island against Flores.
And definitely a mismatch there and good recognition para dito kay Flores. That's his 6th point of the game.
Alam niya, yung foot speed ni Andwil will not keep up with his. Quick move to the basket, walang problema. Andwil Yap tumanggap sa left elbow, offering a pick. Gasingan, tough shot. Tapi ka ng bola, mapupunta dito sa Rizal. Tatakbo sila dito, approaching the 2-minute mark of the second quarter. Borcelo and Clint Manzano, the two St. Clair products, will return for Coach RJ. Short stint for Andwil Yap.
Napakardyo ata dun si Yap.
Actually, had a good moments, no? Apart from that blow by Flores, kita mo, no? Set a solid screen on their previous possession on the offensive end as a offensive foul naman ang itatawag laban dito sa Rizal.